Hi, this is we are looking at the panel of a 3-heat stove isolator. This is an isolator. An isolator is a device that disconnect or connect electricity to the panel. We used to switch it in two ways. And this is a circuit breaker. This is a switch. These are the these are the elements in each and every position. These are the terminals. These are the terminals where you have to connect so to connect this one you need an ammeter, a multimeter to test the connections. So we need cables as well to connect it. So to connect this 3-heat stove, you have line 1, line 2, line 3, line 1, line 2, line 3. These are the 3-phase live wires, and this one is neutral and F. Even here it's neutral. It's a live and a neutral. Live input, output, live and neutral. This is the position to connect those terminals. So it is positioned for this switch, and some of them you have to connect it here to show that this thing changes as you turn it on. So to connect, you have to test it, and then I have tested. Okay, first of all we'll connect the line here to here. This is line 1. Okay, start connecting. Line 1 is connected to the circuit breaker, which is then live. Now we'll connect the neutral. This go to the neutral. The neutral is connected to the circuit breaker from the isolator, and then we have to connect the neutral, the live, to 1. The live is connected to 1. Is connected to 1 now. Connecting the neutral to 2. Then the neutral is connected to line 2. Now I'm going to connect line 2 to here. I'm going to connect the neutral from here to here. line 2 is connected. So now I'm going to connect I'm going to loop this one with this one and then connect to line 3. So line 3 is connected. So now I'm going to connect with line 4. So line 4 is connected. So this one does not, we don't use it, we only use it in 5 feet stuff, so we only use 2 of this one. So now we are going to turn on the isolator and then the circuit breaker and then change the position and see whether it won't light or not. And the isolator is on. We're turning on the circuit breaker. The isolator is on, turning on the circuit breaker now. Now the circuit breaker is on. Now let's change the position and see if it will turn on. Changing this position to V1 and see it be on. Turn to position when it's turn on the light. Let's see position 2. Position 2. It's in position 2 now. The light is on. Let's see position 3 how it changes. Yeah, there's a number 3. It's in position 3, so the light turn on. The light turn both of them for number 3. So this is how a 3 heat stuff should be connected. Make sure everything is connected and the plug is on. The circuit breaker is on, so the current will work. So we'll check the position 5 how it's connected. So